Hello, and good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name's Jeffrey. It's been about 4 years since I joined with Onpassive as a member of OFounders, and despite incredible progress, it's a journey that's still in its infancy, so to speak. Before long, you're going to have the chance to join Onpassive as a customer, a member, and that's going to change things for you. So please give me or allow me 15 minutes or so here, and let me just tell you a small piece of what you can expect in the next few weeks. But I'm going to start by saying that if you do anything at all online, it's time to start thinking about ramping up your success. Start thinking about what AI, machine learning, and Onpassive can do for you and or your business. Now, machine learning can learn from data to solve real world problems without being programmed specifically, right? It allows you to engage and empower your business enterprises no matter where you are regarding the ML adoption level, if you will, right? Now, machine learning is the life's blood of automation and AI learning that runs through and integrates Onpassive's comprehensive digital ecosystem. That's how we can offer an end-to-end solution, a platform that uses AI to enable every employee and customer with modern AI technology and easy to use applications no matter what you do online. That's why you need to become a member of Onpassive, because whatever you do, we have something for you. But before we get into that, right, before we get into what Onpassive is and where we're headed, I want to outline some very fundamental things for you. Now, Onpassive believes in real business with real people working on real products, right, in real time. Now, Onpassive does not encourage and certainly does not endorse any so-called get-rich-quick business models, right? And if you subscribe to our products or services, we're not going to guarantee or promise any secured income or returns on any level. We do guarantee that the products work as we state they work. Now, if you were misled by anyone, right, or somehow coerced to join OFounders, or if somebody has promised you some type of guaranteed returns, please report that experience via email to legal@onpassive.com. You have our full assurance that such things will be dealt with appropriately after we verify the details. In all cases, we will gladly refund your money through the OFounders support system. Having said that, Onpassive is an artificial intelligence information technology-based company that builds fully autonomous products using the latest AI software technologies. That makes us a revolutionary IT development company that empowers you to capture new revenue streams and build from strategic insights that are brought about by a total business automation. Now, our business is focused on developing cutting-edge AI technology solutions and IT development services, and we offer those solutions to businesses of all sizes to help you stay competitive in your sector, especially against large international corporations. And this means that you're going to be able to accelerate your own innovation and transform your business at any stage, from strategy to design, from implementation to expansion and management even, right? Through subscriptions to the software products using our software as a service business model. You see, Onpassive has developed and is still developing a number of incredibly innovative solutions with artificial intelligence. And we've got multiple innovation labs with engineers, data scientists, research lab personnel, all working to invent and develop ways that improve corporate productivity through the innovative design and core technology of our products, right? Now, I'm not sure, but I think at least one of them is on the 134th floor of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. That's an office we'll talk about probably in a minute, I think. But these labs are high-powered PhD-level techs, engineers, and brainards, all developing, cutting-edge products, right? Hundreds of digital and physical products. Some are inventions never before seen. Some are improvements of what we see currently in the market. All of them are needed. Anyway, because we're developing new tech with AI and automation, Onpassive offers built-in multi-level automation that provides powerful digital transformation to businesses. The efficiency of our products, our systems, directly promotes increased productivity and profitability for your business by linking it to and harnessing the power of your data that supports the human work being done in your business. Now, Onpassive also has a couple of state-of-the-art data centers, right? One of them going under expansion right now. And we have plans for many more on the way. There's more that you're going to be able to see than I can share here, to be sure. But these are going to be able to form a global net, first on continents, then to specific countries. We'll scale it to specific countries. But regardless, we need to face the fact that at some level, every business needs the artificial intelligence and the technology that we offer, right? But not every company has the ability, and a lot of them don't have the resources to develop and maintain its own AI internally. And that's where Onpassive comes in with help. We bridge the gap between the technology and your greater success, right? Being able to offer you what you need through the programs and these products and the services and such. So between the assets and the productivity of innovation labs and data centers and the digital ecosystems and everything that we have, right, and the heart that drives it all, Onpassive has plans to continually roll out products, services, and technology forever. They're not going to stop anytime soon, to be sure. So, what's the plan? Well, we've been doing this for a bit, right? More than 4 years. In the last few months, Onpassive has opened new offices on different continents, with more of those on the way too. And one of them is a new headquarters in the UAE, or the UAE rather. It's been highly publicized through a marketing effort that began at the Burj Khalifa, where the new offices are located there in Dubai. And I say offices, plural, right, more than one, because we own the 134th floor and the 151st floor of that building. Now, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and Onpassive's office on the 151st floor is the highest office in the world. That's a statement. Now, the branding and marketing that are being done includes campaigns that run across some massive billboards and electronic displays night and day inside the building, as well as outside the building, and spanning across Dubai's very well-known neighborhoods. And with this, the paradigm shift that is Onpassive has begun its entrance into the global marketing arena, right through some of the most vigorous and creative marketing campaigns that have ever been done by any business in any industry. Part of that marketing includes Onpassive's entering into a partnership with beIN Sports. It's one of the key sponsors of the world's biggest sporting event being streamed live from the peninsular country, right, Arab country of Qatar. For those fact checkers out there, this collaboration was established through PromoFix. That's the sole advertising sales rep in the MENA region and the digital subsidiary of Lebanon-based J Group. The UEFA Champions League and La Liga are two of the biggest sporting events and are being exclusively broadcasted by beIN Sports, right, the largest sports channel network in the region. Now, Qatar's massive football festival, right, it's one of the many international events Onpassive is planning to be a part of, and through which we will run a massive commercial marketing campaign or events, right? Now, that marketing includes TV engagement opportunities, brand awareness and visibility across all beIN Sports channels, across all 64 matches, 70 million TV subscribers, more than 40 million social media fans and followers, right? Sites. The World Games are expected to be watched by 4 billion people, right? And we're going to be streaming things across 128 channels, right? And this all leading up to the games. Onpassive is systematically starting the global marketing and branding done via global web conferences and events like those that have been seen at the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. And these marketing campaigns include publications that spotlight Onpassive all over India, and there's going to be massive marketing on at least 4 continents in the next several weeks. Onpassive has already started a series of TV advertisements with beIN Sports Channel for the streaming of the live events in Qatar. So, I'm just saying, these do buy ads are going to continue simultaneously with the BN Sports campaigns. And we also have a planned rollout of 8 to 10, maybe a dozen products, maybe a little. I'm not sure the exact number, but that's going to kick off the marketing. Some of those are going to be free, some will be paid, and that'll happen in the next several days or so. And leading up to the commercial spots, thousands of them, videos and such, as a sponsor of the live streaming of the biggest sports event in the world, right? It's all going to lead to that through our partnership with the BN Sports as we move into November. Now, this means that we're going to be featured in all the games in the season. And as I said earlier, we're going to be deploying some of the most, in Mr. Mufareh's words, robust and creative marketing campaigns ever done by a business in any sector, right? Passing through November and going into the new year brings continued global branding and marketing, as Onpassive is going to continually be highlighted at the Burj Khalifa during the New Year laser light show through the first quarter of 2023 and beyond. Additionally, Onpassive's products, services, and technology are going to be rolling out month after month for years. And this is just the tip of the proverbial iceberg, as it were, right? As we move forward, the buoyancy of the Onpassive iceberg, if you will, is going to rise up out of the waters, right? It's going to fill the entire landscape, and it's going to create its own gravity and pull the world and the economics right along with it. So if you do anything online, you need to be a part of this. Now, I've shared probably less than 1% of what we can expect from Onpassive in the future here. So right now, Onpassive is poised for changing global economics, right? We're developing plans that will literally, physically change the world. And there's going to be an event, a mega event at the end of this month, November 2022, that's literally going to put Onpassive on the map, and it will blow your mind, okay? If you do anything online, you need to be a part of this. Now, you're not going to be able to miss our public debut unless you choose to, right? I mean, we've all got free choice. Now, when you see us, and you will, click the member link in the description box below and snag a free product. Whatever product you choose, that's your ticket to enter into a new level of your own success and the success of those that you care for. All the products that we offer you are far superior to anything else that's going to be currently available. Even the free ones are. You're going to love it, okay? That's your ticket. And the value is going to make your head spin. What's coming is going to enable us, Onpassive, to own the internet in a way and more. Our talent, right? Those working for Onpassive, our staff and developers and tech heads, right? They are not typical. They are far above the norm, and they are so professional, so ahead of the curve, right? They are years ahead of others in their fields, right? We have no competition. And what's coming is just simply unpredictable. You are not going to be able to understand this in its entirety before it starts unrolling. And we are doing what has never been done before. And we cannot be compared to anything else out there because we're changing everything. It's never been seen, and the impact is going to be extraordinary. If you do anything online, you need to be a part of this. No. If you're a member of the human race, you need to be a part of this. So get in, get some, and get unstuck. Thank you.